फ्रेंड्स, आज मैं आप सबको नोट्स देने वाला हूँ इंटरनेशनल रिलेशंस थ्योरी एंड प्रैक्टिस ऑफ इंटरनेशनल पॉलिटिक्स के घाई के संकलन से। टुडे आई विल गिव यू द इंटरनेशनल रिलेशंस थ्योरी एंड प्रैक्टिस इंटरनेशनल पॉलिटिक्स नोट्स फ्रॉम के घाई. So this book is very important book for international politics and relation. So today we discuss about the international politics. So it is the international politics, meaning, nature and scope. So these are the notes. International relations, international politics, the beginning of its study, the changes, procedures by the two world wars and several other post-war developments made that traditional approach to the study of inadequate, unhelpful for the comprehensive systematic study. So international politics and international relations meaning. So this is the international politics and international relations meaning. In the next video, I will give you problem of nomenclature of international politics or international relations. Thank you.